Thanks for coming to the workshop. Today we're going to learn to grout your mosaic. Make sure to grout your mosaic within 2 weeks, or the grout cup can dry out. Check for all materials in your grout kit. You should have 1 grout cup, 1 paper towel, 1 pair of gloves, 1 spatula, and 1 sponge. You will need to provide a drop cloth. It can be an old towel, newspaper, or cardboard. And you'll also need a bucket of water, which can be a yogurt container or a dirty bowl if you don't have a bucket. Prep your work area. You want to set out all your materials and fill a bucket with water. Your station should look something like this. Step 2. Prep your mosaic. If you want a clean finish, cover the back of your mosaic in masking tape to keep it clean from the grout. This is also when you'll decide whether or not you want to grout the sides. Grout sticks to unfinished wood and MDF pretty easily, but has a harder time sticking to finished edges. If you decide not to, tape the sides as well. Step 3. Grouting. Put on provided gloves. Take the spatula and dip into the grout cup. Spread grout evenly over the entire surface of your mosaic. Use your fingers to pat the grout into the gaps, but watch for sharp edges. Make sure all gaps are filled and use a spatula to scrape up excess grout on the surface. Either redistribute or put back into the cup. If you want to grout the edges, wet the sides entirely with water using a sponge or your finger. Then take the grout and spread it evenly on the sides. Run your finger or a damp sponge over the sides to smooth it out. You may have to repeat after the first layer is dry to avoid flaking. Step 4. Cleaning. With the provided sponge, wring out all water and clean the surface of the mosaic using circular motions. This creates a grout haze. Repeat this step until the surface is clean and no longer hazy. Some pro tips. If grout haze is persistent, you can use a splash of vinegar water mixture and clean with a rag. If grout is stuck in grooved tiles, use a toothpick or an old toothbrush to clean it out. For mosaics with different height tiles, take extra care to dig out the shorter tiles. Step 5. Final polish. Wait about a half hour to do the final polish. You may want to replace dirty water with fresh water before this step. Then, you'll dampen your provided paper towel or water to polish it up. Do not pour grout down your sink. Toss it outside in grass or dirt. Step 6. Clean up. You did it! The grout needs to cure for 24 hours. Make sure to keep it flat while drying. Put excess grout back into the cup. Let crumbs in your work area dry out, then dispose in the trash. Never pour grout down the sink. Let us know if you have any questions, and make sure to snap a pic of your finished mosaic and tag us at ATX Mosaic Workshop.